Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Parth. We are going through the SQL job interview question series, and in this video we're going to have a look at LinkedIn interview question, duplicate job listings. So let's jump right into it. Assume you're given the table below that shows job postings for all companies on the LinkedIn platform. Write a query to get the number of companies that have posted duplicate job postings. Clarification, we can have a look at the table, their types. So here's an example table. We can see the job ID, company ID, the title, and the description. And as long as the title and the description are the same, it is kind of classified as a duplicate listing. So this is an easy problem, but a very interesting one because you have to think in steps. So you could essentially go ahead and solve this with a single kind of query in a way, but again, here we want to first get this data into a form where we can do a subsequent operation. So as a starting point, what we want to do here is we want to get or aggregate a count of all the job postings. So a group operation on the company ID, title, and description, which would lead us to kind of having a count on how many jobs were duplicated. So let's get started with writing our first table, which we need in order to do the subsequent query. So we use the with command, grouped listings, and as. So here we'll write the first query which we need to do the subsequent operation, and here we'll go ahead and select company ID, title, description, and we want to count the number of job IDs, and we put it as count here, count, and we want to select this from job listings. Now the important step here is we want to group. We want to run a group by operation. This will be based on the company ID, title, and description. So company ID, title, description. And this would give us the first kind of aggregation we are looking across all the jobs within a company. So let's separately run it and see what the outcome is here. And then we'll go on to addressing the second step of this query as well. So if we run it right now, you will see that we have aggregated all the jobs which have the same title and description within a company, and we have assigned a count in front of that. So this is the first kind of table or representation we require to answer this question. And the second step would be we want to count the number of distinct companies that have this count column more than one, and that would be the answer we are looking for here. So let's uncomment this, and we go to selecting, select count the distinct company ID, as we want to have the column name as what we have in the example, code W duplicate jobs. From would be grouped listings, and we also have to include a where clause to filter for companies that are listing duplicate jobs. So where count is more than one. and this should give us the answer which we are looking for. Let's quickly try to run it and see. So right now the answer is 3. So 3 companies in the whole data set have listed duplicate jobs. So let's run it and see if it gets us to the answer which we are looking for. Seems like that the answer has been accepted. I hope you like the explanation. We are warming up on SQL, easy questions, but we'll be moving to more medium and hard questions as we proceed. So if you're preparing for machine learning or data scientist interviews, or just SQL interviews, please feel free to follow, as I'll be producing more content on it.